go slow. Go slow. Don't make too much noise. The heifer needs to walk in. If the heifer will walk in, we'll have them. On, baby. On, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I need you right now. I'm FaceTiming.
You do.
Huh?
I said I figured you do. I just had that weird feeling.
Well, I do. Hang on, I'm FaceTiming you right now. I know it. I'm right here on my horse. They're darted. All three of them's darted. But we're trying to get them in that barn right there. I see you're working. Yes, Darrell. I need you. Well, let me call you right back. All right? All right. Bye, Darrell. All right, bye. Let's just take her time. The heifer, if she'll walk in the barn, we'll have. Hit him. There we go. Shut your gate. Hey, boo. Get a front leg, anything. I know it, but I want both. Hang on. Come to me, Josh. Now, come to me. Go ahead, I got him. Put a halter on him. There you go. I told you to stop. Huh? He gonna choke. What he gonna do? He's down. Right there. Alright. Hey, yeah. Now, go behind your Honda. Right there's your Honda. That ain't, yeah, it might be it. That ain't it, but that's all right. Maybe they'll hold. No? Well, I mean, he's a stout booger. You need to get your Honda. Where's your Honda at? There it is. I'm looking at it and see. You got your rope saw. There you go. There's your Honda. It's got to go in behind the Honda. Yeah, well, you need one rope. So you got it doubled up. I don't know what the world's at. But it's got to go in behind the... There you go. Pull it on out. Get all that junk out of the way. Now, make you a little loop. All right, right there. Go behind. Yep. Now go to his nose. Go to his nose. Pull it tight. And that'll be it. That's it. That's a halter. Go get your truck and trailer. Or drive the tractor. You No, there's not. He'd be anywhere, you know what? He coming to you, Josh. Get me behind, hey, them back feet, and I'll hold him down. When he jumps up, he'll jump up. You can get them caught. They're caught right there, aren't they? Huh? Hang on. Yeah, lift them up. And I'll hold him down while you put a halter on him. I got him. I got him. You got him, Josh. Yeah, go ahead. Hang on. Oh, yellow. Now I got him. Easy, yellow. He down now, Josh. Go ahead. Go to him. He down now. Easy, easy. In behind. There you go. Make that other one into the halter if you can. If you got enough slack. Daniel, give him a little slack. Make that other one into the halter while you're there. Need more? Go ahead, I'm locked down. You pull. There he is. Whoa, stop. All right, shut your gate. You work the gate. I'm trying to shut it. What's it hung? Oh, it's hung on my rope. My rope. That's why I was stopping it. Ready? Now, need to lay, pick up on it.
Hold on, hold on. Now it comes out.
Pick. That's like that, right? All right, let off of him, Daniel. Help me.
Woo! Baby Jesus.
Come over here, Josh. Push her back. Where's your red rope at?
Sitting right there.
She's going right there. Right there's your chance. Right there. Right there. She's looking at you, Josh. Put it to her. Put it to her while she's doing that chicken kick. Make a halter. Hurry up. Here she goes again. She getting ready to do it again. Get ready. There you go. There's your chance. Hold her down. Hold her down. Grab her front leg.
Bring the trailer. Bring the trailer. Her ass off the trailer.
She chokes. You need to make a halter out of that rope or he'll kick. And she getting ready to right there in a minute. Go ahead. She's not going to do nothing. I promise you. She's not going to do a thing. Go in behind. There you go. And there you go. In behind. There she goes down. She's down right there. She's down. Perfect. Get up there tight where it don't. Huh? No, he's gonna leave them right there on that trailer. They'll leave. You hear me? They'll demolish them gates.